guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I got this hair and makeup. I hope you guys love it, and let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to start with curling my hair, and I am using the rose gold 3-in-1 curling wand. This does come with interchangeable barrels, so I'm going to be using the one that's in the middle because I like my curls a little bit thicker. I also did apply this heat protectant spray by Foxy Babe, which I love. It leaves my hair really soft and really shiny, and it smells really good. So the way I curl my hair is pretty easy. I just wrap my hair around the curler and wait about 10 seconds or so, and then let the curl loose. I do like bouncing the curls a little just because I don't want them to be too tight. I want them more wavy and loose. But anyways, this wand does get really hot in a good way. I love that I can set this for my hair so I don't damage it and so I can get the best results. I love it, and you guys are definitely going to see me use this more often. Oh, by the way, I do have a discount code, and it's Jocy for 60% off. I'll have everything listed down below. That way you guys could go ahead and check it out. I'm also going to be applying some hairspray, and after I finish doing that, I am all done with the hair, and now it's time for makeup. I did prime my face already, so now I'm going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. You guys know this is my all-time favorite drugstore foundation. I highly recommend it. So today I'm actually going to be trying out a new concealer. This one is by Makeup Revolution, and bitch, let me tell you, it's so bomb. It's so creamy and it blends so good. I love it. And it's only $7, so go get your hands on this. It's amazing. And to bake, I'm using my Mercier translucent powder, my favorite. To bronze my face, I'm actually going to be using a new bronzer today. This one is by MAC, and it's called Give Me Sun. If you guys don't follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, you guys totally should. Every time I go out to do makeup shopping or whatever, I show you guys what I get. So make sure you follow me so you won't miss anything. For blush today, I'm using this one by PrettyVulgar. For highlights, I'll be using this one by Anastasia and Amrezy. By the way, it's coming back in stock if you guys didn't know. And I am all done with the face makeup. Now I'm moving on to the eyes. So for today's look, I'm actually going to be using the Morphe 3502 palette. The first color I'm applying on my crease is called Spice, and I'm using my Morphe M441 to apply this, and I am doing windshield wiper motions. So moving on to the next color, I'm applying this, it's like a burnt orange eyeshadow, but I'm placing this on the crease, and I am using my Morphe M433 brush to apply this. And like always, I'm going back with the first brush I was using, which is the Morphe M441, to blend everything together. And to make this look a little bit darker, I am going in with this dark brown eyeshadow called In the Zone. And I'm placing it on the crease, and I am using the same brush I was using, which is the Morphe M433. For the eyelid color, I'm applying this eyeshadow called Polished, and it's like a copper eyeshadow. For the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm using this eyeshadow called Pure. It's like a gold eyeshadow, which I love. I'm obsessed with it. I love putting it on my brow bone and on my inner corners. So that's what I'm doing right here. And I am all done with the eyes. Do you guys like it? Let me know down below or give this video a thumbs up. But anyways, I'm moving on to lips. And for lipstick today, I'm using this one by Kylie Cosmetics, and it's called True Brown K. I never really do brown lipstick, but today I was really feeling it, and ever since then I've been obsessed with it. I feel like this color is perfect for the holidays. To finish up this look, I'll be using my all-nighter makeup setting spray by Urban Decay. But once that is done, I am all done with this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments section. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.